message us, log into your account, click Contact Us, select a topic, and let us know how we can help. If you're on the app, tap the
Good morning, good morning.
and write your message.
All right. Good morning. It is Thursday, December 8th. I always have to give myself a second to think about it. Hi, Justin. I am currently on hold right now, so if this call comes back on, I'm just going to have to mute myself for a second, but it shouldn't be too long. Hey, guys. Good morning. So I can't get on TikTok until this call is over, but it should be over in a few minutes. But I just wanted to get on here, kind of look at the chart, see that we left the chop zone. We went up to this level and rejected. Look at this touch here. Like, this is insane. This is one of my levels at 11,597. But this is the target for today, the initial target, which is 590. Hit that, hit this, bodies closed under this, and then pulled all the way back down to this level, 11,559. Good morning, good morning. Nope, probably not Malbale. So, okay. Well, you shouldn't be anywhere near it, Kyle. If the chart trader is like this, you shouldn't be anywhere up here anyway. There's no reason for you to be up at the top. And once you have it set up properly, like once you click this and you put it on your live account, then go here, back to chart trader, and go hidden. Because you don't need to have any of that open. You only need to, the only people that have that stuff open are my manual traders. So, because even if you have it hidden, you're still going to see your entry. Oh, give me 1 second, guys. Hey, sorry, I just had to take a quick phone call. So I was on hold, and I knew it was going to be wrapping up soon. That's why I got on here. Okay, so it's Thursday, December 8th. We already left the chop zone, ran right up to one of my levels that I teach in the mentorship. Then we pulled back to one of my other levels. And now we're kind of just ping-ponging around. So pretty strong since last night. Pretty strong movement up. Nice, really nice looking. So Kyle, yes, you went to move the chart. So if you're going to go move the chart and you have your chart trader open, then you shouldn't be clicking anywhere over here. Again, if you want to move your chart, just click on the top of the chart and move it like this. There's no reason you need to be over in the corner to move your chart. You could be anywhere else. You could even click on chart and move it. So try to avoid being over here on the chart trader. Also, like I said, hide it. Just once you have it set up to the account that you're gonna, the trades are gonna be happening on, so you can see the P&L and the stop loss and the take profit, go ahead and just go to chart trader and go to hidden. And then it will still be present, but it will be hidden, so that will be more ideal. All right, cool. Now, I think this looks good. Let's get this up. All right, so we are back in business. I got to get on TikTok. That's the business I haven't taken care of yet. All right. So I probably should have put a second target there, but I didn't. Remember that new iPad I got? I still need to add it. I also... okay. I don't know. All right. I'm going live on TikTok. Sorry. All right. The market's going to open in 2 minutes. So again, if you are part of the group, you already know this, but if you're not, the chop zone is a proprietary zone that's given to my members every single day. It's so helpful. Like, look at this. They got this at 8 a.m. This left essentially right before that. Ran up. What was the top of the zone? 537, and it ran to like 600. So about almost 60 points. So say 50 points. $1,000 per contract. Good morning, Dan. What's going on? And then the LIS is also given to my group. That's the yellow dotted line in the middle. So yeah, the market's about to open. We are in a short of YM and RTY on the conservative scalper. So we'll see how that goes. Thanks for the stars, Dan. All right, cool. I was trying to get my phone to focus a little better, and that is much better. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Let me know, and I will answer them. Please give a thumbs up on the video or tap that screen if you appreciate the content. It's super helpful. All right, the market's open. Canceled. Let's see if we pull back to the chop zone and bounce from there. This is a nice pullback. So remember, we're in these shorts. What just happened with that? What just happened with RTY? Why I'm still in this short, it's green like $60. Oh, RTY actually spiked up. I was like, what? RTY went super high, and it's still going. YM is still in the short, but it looks like it's going to get stopped out.
Order canceled.
All right, so... Okay, good job, Kyle. I just don't want any of those random mistakes to happen and then you lose like $200 or $300 or whatever it might be. I don't have anything fast on. I should probably put it on. Okay, cool. What is Kenny posting? What to watch? Kenny, get out of here. All right, so I have this level here at 59 and then nothing until the chop zone at 38. My girlfriend just said, do you want a golden? He's free. He probably like ate her favorite pair of shoes or something. See, this is why I don't have dogs. They're like, he said, fucker, didn't eat the Old Navy bras, went for the Lulu. Okay, so exactly. He ate her bra, like her most expensive bra. Hey, Florida, what's up? So we'll see what happens today. Oh, there was one trade overnight of oil. It's 1-for-1 for $300. This oil's been doing pretty well. Let me pull up the spreadsheet because we have our results in there and people have been asking about it. So last week it was actually red. The week before it was green 2,300. Last week it was red 500. This week, so far, it's green at 900. And this is just on one mini, so just one contract. So it's a cool thing to keep on top of and follow. Oh, look at that. We went right back to the chop zone. Let's see if we bounce here. I like this. I always like a pullback to the chop zone. This is essentially, and this is Andy, Jen, all of them probably just got that trade. Look at that pull up. Like, that's amazing. And I tell you guys, even on the live stream, I tell you guys where this is. So you can take advantage of this if you know how to manually trade. Obviously, I don't suggest manually trading futures if you've never done it before. You can run multiple algos. Yes, I run my algos during all news outlets except for FOMC. Good job, Kenny. Kenny got the long. I will be running the algos and live until Friday, December 23rd. And that day might be a little slow. We're in a short on the NQ scalper. Green, $85. I'm going to pull this into the focus so we can watch this, get a little bit of entertainment. We'll see what happens here. This was the one. This is 2,000 on the week. It's only taken 2 trades on the entire week. 1 trade on Monday and 1 trade on Wednesday. There were no trades on Tuesday, and obviously today is Thursday. Look at this. $400 already on this short. 1 contract, y'all. Hold on, sorry. I need to find where my little picture thing is. I apologize. There you go. Because I need to show this to one of my buddies. We were talking about it last night. You don't have to take 1 million trades to make $1 million. Well, I'm not saying $1 million, but it just kind of went. So I went with it. But the point is, I think most traders or new people think you have to take a whole bunch of trades to make money, and you don't. Scalping $50 or $100 on every trade is just going to add up a whole bunch of fees and commissions and get you emotional when you miss the big move like this. Like if you made $50 off of this short or $100, you're going to be pissed now, especially if it goes more. It already went like $500, but watch it go to 2,000 and then you're going to be like, oh, I only made 50, and then you're emotionally trading and then you're chasing. So this is the 3rd trade for the week. The bot is $500 for the first 3 weeks, and then $1,000 every month after that. Hi, Mo. How are you?
Order submitted.
RTY is back in a short, so we got that on the right-hand side. I'll show you guys in a minute. RTY had a fake out at the open because that had a really big move up. All right, green 600 on this short now on the NQ. Just 1 contract. Again, I keep it at 1 so you guys can kind of track it and see what it's actually doing. All right, this is the central pivot down here. So we want to be aware of what's around us. Obviously, somebody told me yesterday that I teach too much for free in my live streams. So maybe I'll stop saying stuff. People don't think how an extra 200. Well, yeah, that's true too. I'm not saying shoot for the stars, but I'm also saying over trading is not the way to go. Take a trade, make your $200, $300 and be done for the day. All right, 600 on this short. We are at the central pivot. See if we can break down below that. And then we have the LIS, which is at 503. And then we have the 500 level. And what was that? 685 I saw a second ago. Kenny said I teach too much too. All right, I'm going to stop saying so much. We're green $30 on the RTY short. Y'all better be giving me some thumbs up and some taps on the screen, okay? Okay? Because clearly I teach too much and I'm too nice. Even though somebody yesterday tried to say I'm the meanest person they've ever met and then literally retraced that sentence like 10 minutes later. Like, I agree that I'm sometimes cold-hearted and matter-of-fact, but I would never say I'm a mean person. Like, I don't have mean blood in my body. All right, $820. I always give you 3 some thumbs up. I love you, Kenny. You're the best. You're the best. Nice, George. Thank you so much. You enjoy teaching. I enjoy listening. It's true. I do enjoy teaching. Well, but see, other people do, so then they can take advantage of that. So if you can see, this is the trail stop, this red line here. You know what? I thought I was going to increase it. Yep, Steve, let's keep that in the group. But yes, thank you so much. $700, $750 now on this short. RTY is still also trying to stay in this short. $800, $815. So this is what I'm saying. If you would have capped yourself at $100, you're mad at this point, and then you're having FOMO. Also, the stop loss went to break-even offset. It's okay, Steve. All right. Carter, who was the other person yesterday? Carter, maybe Brandon, and now Kenny have all said I teach too much on my live streams for free. So I'm going to start biting my tongue. If you guys want to be a student, if you want to learn this stuff for real, then you can purchase my mentorship like the 85 other people in the group right now. Yeah. Yeah, 1,000 likes isn't anything. I think we had like 3,000 yesterday. Come on. So this is the trail stop now. You can see it's kind of moving sideways. We'll see what happens. So if we come up and close above it and it turns green, then it's going to close the trade. I don't get it, Kenny. I don't get it. Unsolicited advice is just opinion, not consulting. I don't know what that means, but okay. Let's see if we can move back down here or if the LIS and the central pivot are going to hold us up. This is all fully automated. Everything I show you is 100% automated. It gets me in the trade, it moves my stop loss for me to break even or in the green, and it gets me out of the trade. All right, Vivi already made $1,685. George already made 500. No, actually like 900. Good job, guys. All right, so again, this has to turn green for it to lock up the profit. This is my program. I lease it. If you want more information, you can just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Yes, it does not run 24/7 because this is not the crypto market. It runs 23/5 because that is what the futures market is. This is on NinjaTrader, and you have to use NinjaTrader to use my algo. Oh, yeah, look at that touch, John. You are spot on. Y'all, look at the touch on the chop zone. Look at this. Look, that's literally exact. Exact. We got the sauce over here. Like, taking profit is perfect here. I appreciate the free content. I'll get into trading one day. I'll just buy and hold for now. Okay, Dustin. I don't understand why you're on a future stream. Just for fun, just to hang out. The minimum amount to run the algorithm is $2,000. You provide daily algorithm with the mentorship? Yes. The algorithm runs every single day. Yeah, so Grogger, you can email me and I can show you why, or you can go back and watch all of my live streams on YouTube because my stuff kills it. This one algorithm right here is green $3,000 on the week with just 3 trades. 1 trade on Monday, 1 trade on Wednesday, and then 1 trade today. Also, RTY is green $90 now, y'all. RTY is also in this short. Nice job, George. George already made $800. Vivi already made $16.85. So proud of you. It depends on your account size. So if you have a $7,000 to $10,000 account, you could easily make $4,000 to $5,000 a month because you're trading minis. If you're trading micros, then it's a tenth of the size, and then you would multiply it by how many micros you're taking. No, this is a mini. I don't trade micros because I have a $10,000 account. All right, let's see if we can get through this LIS and the central pivot again to then break down through the chop zone. This is the bottom of the chop zone here. This might be another $2,000, $3,000 trade. Here we go, 94. We are green $800 on this one contract. If you had 2 contracts, you would be green $1,700 at this point. All right, what are we at now? $930. I want to be Vivi. She's awesome. This is NQ right now. I'm always running NQ. There's never a day that I'm not running NQ. We're green $1,100 on this short. Also, RTY is green $110. Like, come on, John. You should know better than this. The minimum investment is $2,000. If you want to trade sizing like this, you would need at least $7,000. Hey, Top Gun. Welcome. Hey, Lamborghini. The mentorship and the algorithm are separate. They do not come together. But you can do either one first and then do the other one afterwards. All right, we're green, $1,140 on this short. I'm good, thank you for asking. Also, RTY is green 155 and the stop loss already moved itself into the green. So let me show you what I mean by that. So this purple line, okay, so it pulled back up and it hit that break-even offset. So that took, it has a green trade and that locked it up. NQ is still going because I always want to give, well, whatever. I'm not teaching anymore, so I'm not saying the stuff that I normally do for NQ. If you want to know what I do with NQ, then get my mentorship. Yes, I have a $10,000 account and I run it on all of my setups. I'm running NQ, ES, oil, YM, RTY. Yes, Eduardo, you can run these on a funded account. You can run them on a simulation account at the same time as your live account. Yes. Yep, Apex is having a 50% sale. I think it's, the code is something 50. Same 50. I don't know. I don't know what it is. This is the NASDAQ. It went as green as 1100. Now it's pulling back. Again, I give this space. It's fine. It will close when this line turns green. But if it doesn't, it's going to stay in this short. RTY already exited. All right, now we're back down below that level. See how it doesn't get me out like it shouldn't? Because it still has an overwhelming amount of selling pressure. So that's what you want. You don't want something just to get you out because it looks like it's turning around. If we still have a lot of pressure to the downside, I want to stay in this short. And if not, it will take me out when this turns green anyway. Yeah, sure thing. Yeah, so you can use a funded program. You can use a live account. You can use an account as small as $2,000. You can open a NinjaTrader account and fund it with as little as $400, but you can't use my, no, that's not what that means. But I'm just, because remember, I'm a market maker, so I know everything. Eduardo said Lauren's mentorship is worth every penny. She's an excellent teacher. Aww. Thanks, Eduardo. Because Kenny told me so. Kenny told me it's going to plow. Yes, but I don't trade forex, so it's NQ where I'm from. Again, I am not touching it at all. If you wanted to touch it, you could have. You could take this stop loss and move it, but I don't do that because I just let the algorithm be 100% fully automated, and I don't get involved. So Memento, you don't have to be here. What? You're so lame. I love it. I love it. I'm hungry. Andy already made $1,405. Nice job, Andy. He's one of my students. I'm looking at my other screen. If you guys don't see what I'm talking about, it's because it's on my other monitor. All right, I might get stopped here at break even. I'm not charting. My auto trading algorithm is trading for me. Oh, look how close I got. I might get stopped out here. That's fine. We're literally in between the chops now.
Order filled.
All right, so I got taken out at break even. That's fine. Obviously, you could have taken profit, but I don't do that because I only track the true results of fully automated trades. Now, we have some extra things that we talk about in the group that I'm not talking about here. Oh, yeah. Gold has been kind of crazy lately. We auto trade gold as well. But some of the things we talk about in the group would most likely tell members to be taking profit at some point here, whether it's in this area or in this area. The things that we talk about would have been are discussed, and they're on high alert for those things. But I'm not going to talk about that on the free live stream. So just know that most people, if they were in that trade, they took profit at some point. I am break even, so no loss, no gain. But I also run the algorithms with no touching at all. So yeah, well, I like it. So, Lukey, whatever your name is, you can not watch it if you don't like it. But I like my background. I think it's cool. I go live every day from about 9:15, 9:20 to 10:30. So if you give me a follow, you'll be notified when I go live every day. Brendan said he only hears great things about the mentorship. One day I'll take it. And although not in the mentorship yet, I'm still learning a lot just by getting the algo. That is true. But once you take the mentorship, you will learn so much more that you can apply it to the algorithm and, like in this instance, make a lot more money than I did, essentially. So it's $4 round trip to take a trade for one mini. All right, so we're back up here. Let's look at the higher time frame chart. We left out of the chop zone again, came back up to this area. So it took a pretty big move down, but what it essentially did was just went, typically we go back to the chop zone and then bounce higher. Today, it went all the way through the chop zone and then came back out on the other side. It means round trip means that that's your in and your out. So when you're trading, you get in the trade and then you get out of the trade. And they charge you for each side. But I just like to say what the total is round trip because you're always going to have an entry and an exit. Like in no case would you ever not have an entry or an exit. I am hungry today. It's 9:55. I have that whole iPad thing. I have to set that new one up. I've been slacking on the giveaway stuff. Like I did it last night, but I've not been posting. Also, I didn't post it all yesterday, even though we had one trade on ES that was a loss. But it got super close to the target, so I had some cool video on it. Maybe I'll post it today, but no, I did. I don't think so, Steve. David made 1,300. Nice job, David. He's a student of mine. All the students post their results early in the day because they make money off the open and then they let the algo trade for them after that. Yeah, pancake time. That's not how it works, AJ. When it trades, I'll show you the trade, but there's no trades right now. It's totally spot on, Steve. So maybe yours is wrong. Maybe you want to check that. But I just double checked mine. We're going to make a new high on the day. This is huge. Huge move. Obviously, I'm not in it. Oh, yes. I posted about that this morning. Very nice. I posted about that this morning, so just be aware of that and maybe come back, like switch back. I'm surprised. Oh. I don't know what that looks like. I probably should have. I don't know. What time is it? 10 o'clock. All right, cool. So NQ on the week is still 3 for 3 for $2,000. Obviously, if you took any type of profit today on this scalper, you would be green more than $2,000 on the week. It went as green as 1,100, so you could have made another 1,000 today, but it is what it is. We might even get a long. I'll have to see. All right, we'll see if we can get through this target. The next is 11,598. If you want more information about the algorithm, how to get started, or about the digital mentorship, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. We'll see if we get any trades here in the next few minutes. No worries, Steve. No worries. Whoa, look at this push. This is nice. Matt, did you see how they tried to take everyone out first? Really nice move up here. So next is going to be 11,640. Oh, I sent him that. Okay. Thanks, Mark. Thanks for the all the likes, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm just typing in the group and then looking on YouTube. You said David earned 1,300. What capital? No, I did not. Actually, Darren, I did not say any of that. So I said he made $1,300, and then as soon as I said that, I said he's a student of mine. He made $1,300. Andy made $1,400. George made almost $900, and VV made $1,685. So yes, and all of those people are my students, and they all have around $7,000 to $10,000 in their account, if not more. People that post their results early in the morning like this are due to being my students. Thanks, Cooper. So if you want more information on the bot, then just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. So the people that post early in the morning are my students because I teach them how to trade the open. So they trade typically 9:30 to 9:40, 9:30 to 9:45, whatever it might be. And then they post their results. And then they turn on the algorithm, and then the algorithm trades for them the rest of the day while they go to work. Charlie. This is not a bot. This is just a chart. This is a bot. Yesterday we had no trades. Look at how big that box was. Huge. Range had one trade. Oil last night had a trade for $300. Look at how oil has been running since last night. Oh, it came right back down. Oh, we didn't come back in. We would have had another one. That was so close. So it got long at 73.26. It went up to 75.39. 2 points. That's $2,000. That's insane. Oil's been going crazy. Yep, posted it before, Charlie. Sorry, I'm coughing. Sorry, could you say again? I did not hear. Yeah, so they're all my bots, but this specific chart with just the candles in the chop zone is not a bot. It's just my chart. But I have a whole bunch of tabs of other bots. So this is my bot. This is my bot. This is my bot. This is my bot. They're all mine. There's a whole bunch. Because I don't feel like having any on that chart. All right, Alex posted in results $1,315. Nice job, Alex. Again, Alex is a student. Anyone that posts results before 11 a.m. is a student. And that's typically just what it is. And they're killing the market. Exactly. Carter knows what it's about. Yes, the bot had again, this is kind of what I just went over. Oil took one trade, 1 for $300. The scalper on NQ took this short. It was as green as almost $1,200, and then it pulled back to break even. Obviously, if you're in my group, you would have taken profit. I just don't touch them at all. But if you're in my group, you would have known to take profit, so you would have made anywhere from $500, $800 to $1,000. And then RTY is red $90. That's about it. RTY had a short that was a loss, and then it had another short which was a win. Occasionally when I'm traveling or busy that day. Other days I try to execute what I learned through the digital mentorship. Alex, you're the best. That's why you're so good at what you do. Thank you. Do you get Slack with the algorithm? Yes. Slack is included with the algorithm. Correct. No, so it's not a private mentorship, Darren. It's just the digital mentorship. I have two programs. I have a digital mentorship, which is just 14 one-hour videos that you watch on your own when you have time. You have access for life, and you get 1 month in Slack, in the private student channel. And then the one-on-one coaching sessions are the private Zoom sessions. Those are more expensive. I use NinjaTrader and Tradeovate. This is NinjaTrader for my auto trading algorithm, and then I use Tradeovate for my manual trades. It's $1,000 to take the digital mentorship and become one of my students. It's a one-time payment, and then like I said, you get 1 free month in the group with all my other students. Justin made $515. He's one of my students. Great job, Justin. Sorry, I'm like burping again. No, there's the discount on the bot is the 50% off for the first month. That's the discount. It's $500 for the first 3 weeks, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. No, and I don't care to know who they are. Nice move here. I'm wondering if any of my students are going to post new P&Ls because they got the run out of the chop zone again. Oh, I like her pun. Did you guys see that? Yes, the bot only runs on NinjaTrader. You can manually trade from the digital mentorship on any other broker that allows futures. Okay, it's not a membership, Dale. It's a mentorship. Yes, correct. Dale, I do show you that. It's that is part of it. And then you have access to the student channel where we talk about all that stuff too. So I said digital mentorship after the first month. Yes. So you have access to the videos for life. I think I already covered that. You can go as fast as you want or as slow as you want. And you can rewatch the videos as many times as you need to. You have access to the videos for life. The only thing that you get for 1 month is the free access to Slack, which is where the student channel is. That's where you get the chop zone every day. That's where you get the LIS every day. In the digital mentorship, I also teach you how to find the LIS yourself. And so again, that's $1,000. It's a one-time payment, and you get access for life. Yeah, Alex Fern, you should think about it. The bot is 23.5. It can't be 24/7 because this is not crypto. The futures market is only open 5 days a week, 23 hours a day. Again, this is the NASDAQ. The symbol is NQ, which is right here on my chart. I'll move it over. But it's NQ, which is the NASDAQ on the futures market. Earl, you should just go and watch my video on YouTube under popular. It's called What Are Futures Contracts? And it's a 30-minute video, and it'll tell you everything you need to know. Oh my gosh. He just said, is this crypto? Yes, Miguel, there is. Okay, Alex. Well, regardless, you don't have to install or sign up for Slack. When you join any of my services, I send you an invite, and then you click on the invite link, and then all it asks you is to create a password, because it will use your email address that I put in that I invite you with. Sure thing, Earl. I don't sell it, I lease it. If you want to buy it, you can send me an offer, and then we'll see. But it's probably going to be a no. Yep, sure thing, Alex. So the digital mentorship is on my website. You can just go there and purchase it. The discounted link for the algorithm is in the email that I send you, so you wouldn't want to go on my website and purchase that, because then you'll be paying full price. Benny made $500. He's one of my students. Nice job, Benny. Look at these. Look at him. This is his first manual trade on NQ. Oh, no, he made 1,000. Unless one might be sim and one might be live. Justin made 515. Alex made 1,315. David made 1,300. Andy made 1,400. George made almost 900. And then Vivi made 1,685. These are all my students. All of my students. They're doing a great job. Hi, how do you trade? What are the basics behind it? Yeah, no, I'm not going to go over that. If you want to know how I trade and what I do to trade, you can just purchase the mentorship. I literally teach you every single thing I know. And then mid-January. Sounds good, Darren. Sounds good, Earl. Okay. Nice job, Benny. I'm so proud of you. Benny made $490. Please give a thumbs up or tap the screen to show your support of the stream. Because again, I do this free every day for 90 minutes or 80 minutes, something like that, every single day. If you want to go back and watch any of my previous streams, they're all recorded live and they are in my on my YouTube. BoldBot, 2 words. All right, it's 10:15. I'm probably going to wrap it up here soon. There's nothing really happening. Thank you, Benny. That's so sweet of you. I appreciate it. Let me screenshot that. That's so nice. There's a lot of brokers you can use for beginners. I like Tradeovate, but if you're ever thinking about using the algorithm, then you might as well just go with NinjaTrader so you don't have to have multiple accounts at multiple brokers. Alright guys, I'm going to get off of here. What's the meaning of lease? Lease means you're not buying it, you're borrowing it for a price. Oh, John. Oh, John. Look, John, I'm going to put you down on my follow-up list right now. John Paget. We will see John next week. John. John. And then when you purchase it, I check you off my list. So we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, it's all done for you, Saeed. It's fully automated. My algorithm does every single thing for you. It gets you in, it gets you out, it takes profit. It's fully set it and forget it. I like saying click and go. Fully automated. I'm not sure why fully doesn't seem to wrap the word fully around it. It's fully automated. All right, John. Don't let me down. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for joining, Jeffrey. And I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9, like 9:15, 9:20 in the morning. Okay. Bye. Have a good day. And I will post on my story later if we get some more trades. And I'll probably post that trade from yesterday where ES looked good, but then it ended up being a loser. So I will post that. Alright guys, have a good day. I forgot I'm still live. Talk to you later. We have different account sizes. Hello, you can't make the same money if somebody has $2,000 and another person has $50,000. There's just common sense here. Come on. Come on, come on. Different categories. All right. right. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.